So of course the answer would be to store these types of data in NoSQL database of 100 air conditioned data, we need to obviously go for a key value store, not a column family database. Then number 13, what is data ingestion? Capturing raw data stream from various sources to storing it. This is the correct option. Then which of the following visual display of major contributors of selected result or value? Okay, the answer would be of course key influencers. They are the major contributor of the results. Which type of analysis helps to answer question about what has happened in the past? So answer would be descriptive. So here you could say 5 analysis. So descriptive basically helps to answer about what has happened or what happened is past. So it's a historical data. So descriptive is historical. Diagnostic is helps to identify why this thing happened. And then we have prescriptive. Prescriptive is basically helps to answer about what will happen in future by see the trendings. And that is predictive, sorry. And prescriptive will be it helps to answer the question about what action should be taken if something happened, or what action to be taken in order to meet the goal or target. Then we have cognitive analytics. So cognitive analytics is, it's like draw the pattern based on the data. So it's a prediction based on the data. So that 5 we have. Question 16 is, which deployment require fastest changes when migration SQL Server on-prem data? So I think like go for the SQL Server running VM. So just take a VM and install SQL Server. You can easily migrate the existing SQL instance that is running in on-prem. Which of the following statements is true about SQL Server running on virtual machine? So it would be, you are responsible for all software installation and maintenance and performance backup. So this option would be correct. Which of the following statements is true about Azure SQL database? So for Azure SQL database, of course, scaling up or out take effect without restarting the SQL. So that's what, like, you need not to worry about restart, it will automatically scale up. When using a Azure SQL database managed instance, what is the simplest way to implement backup? Backup are automatically handled, we need not to worry. What are the element of the Azure table storage key? Of course, partition key and row key. When should you use block blob and when should you use page blob? So block blob are normally used to store discrete and large binary object that will let people will change infrequently. And for page blob, it's a optimized random read and write operation. So the answer would be use a page block that require read and write access. So I think this will be the correct option. Question 22. Why might you use Azure file storage? So it's a shared drive kind of thing. So this would be the right option. What happened? The purpose of data ingestion, to capture data flowing data warehouse system quickly as possible. So this is the thing for data ingestion. What is the best way to transfer data to PostgreSQL database running on the on-premises database running on Azure database of PostgreSQL service? We need to use Azure migration service. That will be the best or quickest option. What is the security principle? An object represent user, group and service or manage identity that is requested restricting access of Azure resources. That would be the security principle.